I am Khalifa from Qatar TV.
I am Abdullah Haider from Oman TV.
And I am Cige from Somalia. Welcome our program concerning about Islamic in Korea. Korea is located on the eastern side of the Asian continent. It is a long peninsula which stretches in north and south direction. After the Korean War from 1950 to 1953, the peninsula was divided into North Korea and South Korea by the track line at the 38th parallel. The area of the Republic of Korea or South Korea is 45% of the peninsula. Korea's economy flourished with increased foreign investment and the development of the Korean industrial complexes. The Korean people happy today themselves in the beauty of their land, the rivers, and 4 distinct seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. War always brings about destruction and misfortune, but as for Korea is proud about great virtues and straight way of life. Islamic a new religion in Korea, but the Islam originally started the first one in the Al-Hijaz, Saudi Arabia, and then quickly spread all over the world. When the Korean War broke in 1950 and the United Nations requested the peace-loving countries to dispatch their troops to defend South Korea from the military attacks of the combined communist troops from North Turkey, Muslim country was among the nations which responded to the request of the United Nations. She dispatched her troops to South Korea. These Turkish soldiers propagated the religion of Allah to the Koreans who embraced Islam in September 1955. Now Imam of Seoul Mosque will speak about how the Koreans took Islam as a religion.
In 1955, Turkish troops imam. His name is Kochi. He spread Islam in Korea during Korean War. We performed prayer together. We learned Islamic knowledge together.
Islam in Korea began to spread from 1955 up to now, when most of Arab and other Islamic countries opened their sincere assistance to establish an Islamic mosque and central education of Islamic in Seoul, the capital city, 1976. In May 1976, the Korean Muslim Federation completed the construction of the first mosque and Islamic center in Korea. More than 50 delegates from 20 Muslim countries participated in the ceremony of the opening of the Central Mosque and the Islamic Center in the Seoul, the capital city. After the establishment, the Islamic Federation has achieved the success of increasing the number of Muslims to over 30,000 from less than 3,000 within 6 years. The second mosque and Islamic center was inaugurated at Busan, the second largest city in the Republic of Korea, at 1980. And the third mosque and Islamic center was held in July 1981 in Gwangju city.
We have 10 masjid in Korea, including temporary. And Seoul and Busan. Busan is the second biggest city in Korea. And third one is Gwangju in Gyeonggi province, not so far from here. And also Anyang Masjid in Gyeonggi province, and Jeonju Masjid in Jeonbuk province, and then Samsungdong in Seoul, and Seongnam Masjid near the Gwangju Masjid, and Yongin also, same area.
The Korean Muslim Federation established Islamic education centers and prayer places in some of the cities, so as to educate them and teach the newly converted brothers about Islam and Islamic law. Imams and teachers have been assigned by both the Federation and Muslim countries to perform these duties.
We have Arabic Institute in our center, so we're teaching Islam to the non-Muslim and with the Arabic to them, to the non-Muslims, for spread Islam. And then sometimes Islamic pamphlet to deliver non-Muslim on the way or visiting house. And also sometimes we have a lecture for the non-Muslims in our center or other center. And also we're visiting to the Muslims' house and teach them and connection with us and make Muslim brotherhood, Muslim to Muslims. Also teach them how to recite Quran and how to pray, and so on. Also we deliver Islamic books to the library and schools and MESCOM and other office for the spread Islam.
The main principles of Islam in all the human being equal, no different between rich man and poor person, And there is no difference between black and the white. We are all human. The God Allah and the Muhammad, Prophet of Allah.
From one man. That means we all from one father. His name Adam. If our grandfather, our father, his name Adam, that means all people same. All people brothers. In this general brothers, Allah He make special brothers in belief. Allah He explained to us, He said to us, all believers, all Muslims, they all brothers. In Quran, He say exactly, every Muslim, even he is from Africa, if he is from Japan, if he is from Korea, if he is from America, from any place, any country, if he is Muslim, he is true, in real, he is my brother. I should believe from my heart, from my mind, he is real my brother. Allah He made him my brother. And we have no difference between color, in language, in place. All in this world, all believers, we all brothers. And when anyone he say that Muslim he is not my brother, and that woman he is not my brother, who say that he is not woman? Why? He said to Quran, you do not right. He said to Quran, you say every Muslim he is my brother, but that Muslim he is not my brother. That man is not Muslim, is not believe. Everyone he believes with Islam, everyone he believes with Quran, he should believe from his heart. Every woman, every Muslim is his brother. Exactly. Know how men. My brother in Islam, if we believe every Muslim he is our brother, that means we should love him same with real our brother. From my father and my mother, my brother from my father and my mother, he is my brother. And another man is not from my father, not from my mother, but he is mu'min, he is Muslim. I should love him more than my real brother if my brother not Muslims.
I have started believing in Islam for 3 years.
Before 5 years ago, when I entered the university, my professor from Egyptian, he always say me about the religion. I know the first times the religion, Islam is an excellent religion in the world.
Now I am studying Arabic in Hanguk University of Foreign Studies. The Quran and Hadith is Arabic. So I am interested in Islam. So I started in believing in Islam.
My occupation is professor in the university.
Which university?
University, Chosun University in the city of Gwangju, Jeollanam-do.
Are you Muslim?
Yes, I am Muslim.
When did you start believing in Islamic as a religion?
When I was a sophomore in the university, I met Egyptian professor. His name is Professor Fuad. At that time, Professor Fuad taught us Islamic religion and Islam philosophy, and I was so anxious. Yes, I took Islam at that time.
Which year?
In the year 1976.
Can you able to read Al-Fatiha or other surah al-Quran?
Sure, this is my duty. All Muslim can read Surah Al-Fatiha.
Okay, begin.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, مالك اليوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Muslims in Korea today, in spite of their small number and short history, work very hard in every walk of life. Some of them hold very high positions in the society, such professors, lawyers, doctors, government officials, diplomats, economists, journalists, engineers, soldiers, and businessmen.
My name is Park Young-sok, head of Arabic section in Korean Broadcasting System in Seoul, and I worked in Arabic section since 9 years. And I learned Arabic in Hankuk University for Foreign Studies since 1973, and until now I am studying Arabic, because I am working in Arabic section in KBS. And I studied Arabic in Sudan and Egypt in 1980 and 1985. And I started believing in Islam since 1 year. We have a foreign staff from Egypt. His name is Mr. Shakir Bishop. He took me to Islam since 1 year. So I found the Islamic religion is very good for the life. You know, the Islam is the life, not a religion itself, but Islam is a life and religion in the same time.
Lastly, what's your opinion about the future in Islamic in Korea?
In future, maybe Muslim numbers increase, I believe. Because why? As our custom is a similar Islamic way of life.
For example, the
Dress, woman's dress,
is longer,
covered,
with whole body.
As you know, and 500 years ago, they used the head cover when he go out.
The word of the God will remain uppermost until the destruction of the world and all on it. This is the end of our program. Until we will meet again. Bye.